gonna make some beef bourguignon. I got all the ingredients here in front of me. I got beef, bacon, mushrooms, red onions, white onions, carrots, and some red wine. The red wine is wine from Chile, and it's a 2022, so it's good enough. You want to make sure it tastes good because you don't want to put a nasty wine inside of the beef bourguignon. So right now I'm sauteing my bacon. Make sure that it's nice brown and release the fat from it. Soon here I'm going to add the beef. So I cook the beef with the bacon fat. Get some more flavor like mustard. I don't even see too many people do that, but I like it. Gives a little flavor, extra flavor. Adding my vegetables, carrots, onions. I don't do garlic. I use onions. I don't do garlic. It's kind of, for me, it's two different flavors. I'm gonna let it cook for about, I'd say about 10-15 minutes. And then I'm gonna add tomato paste. 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. Stir, get the tomato paste in there, sorry. I'm getting my French fries ready. So what I have some russet potatoes, long ones, and I cut it long ways. Try to cut the fries the same dimension so they cook evenly. You don't want 2 different dimensions because otherwise one will be cooked and the other one will be raw. Go back to my beef bourguignon here. I'm gonna add the wine. I put an old bottle, it's 3/4 of a liter. I'm gonna bring to a boil for about, I'd say 35 minutes. And then I'll give it a taste if I need more salt, pepper. On this side, I'm cooking my French fries. I have vegetable oil, frying oil. So the way I cook my French fries, I do it in two stage. I cook them halfway, then let it sit for about 5 minutes. Over here, I'm doing my mushrooms separately with red and white onions in butter. which I'm gonna add those in the beef bourguignon. You'll see when they're cooked, of course. These are my French fries for the second time. Want to add a little bit of salt, not too much. And my beef bourguignon at this point has got about a total of about an hour. You know, you can go up to an hour and 15 minutes because there's not a lot. You know, you can do it with potatoes, mashed potatoes, pasta, white pasta. It's up to you. I like to put it on top of my fries. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe.